Oh, it was the best days of my life. I mean, I thoroughly enjoyed my course. The community was fantastic. I mean, it was a much smaller college in those days, but everybody knew everybody else. Everybody, wherever you went, whether you were passing an academic, support staff, everybody said hello, asked how you were, and you just generally felt you were in a place that cared about each other, and it was just an absolutely fantastic time in my life, and somewhere I look back on with fond memories. I think it's absolutely fantastic, and doing it in front of my wife and my son is just the most amazing feeling in the world. This place has changed beyond all recognition, changed for the good, I think, and the facilities here are wonderful and far better when I was here. But I think what stays here is that unique sense of community, which you don't get in many universities, and it's still here. And you feel it right down from the Pro-Vice Chancellor down to the people who were serving tea earlier on. Everybody, there's a sense of togetherness here. I mean, I think the one thing I will say about Trinity St David's, it's a family. Once you've come here to study, you are part of that family, and that family still cares about you wherever you are. And I think it's a fantastic place. And today I've come home, and I've had such a fantastic welcome home as well.